In today's video, I will walk you through how to change company details on Xero. To get started, look toward the top left corner of your Xero dashboard where your company name is displayed. Click on your company name to open the menu that contains your organization's settings. When the menu appears, select Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your organization's information and update your company details. Once you're inside the Settings area, look for the option labeled Organization Details and click on it. This page contains the main information about your business and allows you to edit the details whenever changes are needed. You'll now see the different fields that can be updated. Start by reviewing the information currently displayed so you know exactly what needs to be changed. If you want to update your company logo, locate the Logo section and upload the logo file you want to use. Make sure you've already prepared the correct logo file before selecting it so the upload process goes smoothly. Next, if your company name needs to be updated, find the company name field and replace the existing name with the new one you want to use. Check the spelling carefully before moving on to the next field. After updating the company name, review the company address. If your business has changed location or the address needs to be corrected, enter the updated address in the appropriate field. Go through each part of the address carefully to make sure everything is accurate. You can also update your company email address from this same page. Find the email field and replace the existing email address with the current one you want associated with your company information. Continue reviewing the remaining details shown on the Organization Details page. If there are any other company details that need to be updated, make those changes while you're here. Before finishing, take a few moments to review every field you've edited. Double-check the company name, address, logo, email, and any other updated information to make sure everything is correct and reflects your current business details. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, save the updated information so your new company details are applied throughout your Xero organization. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you update your organization information with confidence. Please like and subscribe.